قناة أمريكية معجبة بأحسن قطار متطور تمنحه سويسرا للجزائر وسط صدمة شركات فرنسا. قبل البدء، إذا كنت جزائري وتفتخر بذلك، اعمل إعجاب لهذا الفيديو.
Swiss company Stadler has successfully secured a contract to supply electric trains to Algeria, valued at up to 600 million francs. This unique deal marks a historic achievement for the company as the first of its kind with an Arab country. The contracts affirm Algeria's ambitious desire to renew its fleet, raising concerns among several French companies due to Algeria's decision to part ways with them. The competition for this contract witnessed significant interest from global companies. According to the company, the financial bids from Swiss and Hungarian companies were close, but the Swiss company emerged as the winner due to its technical superiority and commitment to providing spare parts for 10 years, along with maintenance services post-sale.
مرة أخرى تصفع الجزائر الشركات الفرنسية وتجدد أسطولها مع أضخم الشركات السويسرية.